You go to school, get a job, work hard, but somehow you are still stuck financially. That's not an accident, it's a system. Let's follow a typical path. Go to school, get a degree, get a job, buy a car, buy a house. Sounds perfect. But here is the problem. This path builds income, not wealth. Many people start life with $20,000 to $100,000 debt. Before earning real money, that's like starting a race, already behind. First salary. What do you most people do? Buy a car on EMI. Monthly payment starts. Depreciating asset. Looks like success, but it's a financial burden. Buy a house equal wealth, but reality, mortgage, interest, maintenance, taxes. It's not always an asset. Sometimes it's a liability. Middle class biggest pressure. Look successful. Live like others. Live like others. Social comparison. Results. Spending increases, saving decreases. Middle class focuses on salary. Wealthy people focus on assets, investments, ownership. Big difference. Monthly cycle. Salary comes, bills go, EMI, expenses. Nothing left. To break the cycle. Number 1. Control expenses. Stop lifestyle inflation. Number 2. Avoid bad debt. Limit high interest loans. Number 3. Invest early, even small amounts. Number 4. Build assets. Stocks, funds, skills. Stop thinking, I need more income. Start thinking, I need better money habits. Final part. The system is not broken. It's working exactly as designed. But once you understand it, you can escape it. The bottom line is the middle class stays stuck not because they are lazy, but because they are following a system that doesn't teach wealth. Thank you.